Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
JavaScript. Module 3, Functions and Scope. 1. Functions in JavaScript. Functions are blocks of code designed to perform a particular task. They are executed when they are called, invoked. Defining a function. There are several ways to define a function in JavaScript. Function declaration. Example. Function expression. Arrow function, ES6. 2. Invoking a function. You can call a function using its name followed by parentheses. Example. 3. Parameters and arguments. A. Parameters are listed in the function definition. B. Arguments are the real values passed to the function. Example. 4. Function return. A function can return a value using the return statement. If no return is specified, the function returns undefined by default. Example. 5. Scope in JavaScript. Scope determines the accessibility of variables. JavaScript has function scope and block scope. Function scope. Variables declared within a function are local to that function and cannot be accessed from outside. Example. 6. The this keyword. This refers to the object it belongs to. In a method, this refers to the owner object. Alone, this refers to the global object, in non-strict mode. Example. 7. Closures. A closure is a function having access to the parent scope, even after the parent function has closed. Example. Summary. A. Functions, define using function declarations, expressions, or arrow functions. B. Scope, understand global, function, and block scopes. C. Closures, functions that remember their lexical environment.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.